Hey everyone, good morning or good evening, depending on when you are watching and listening. I hope you all are well. So, I wanted to find out from you, what is it that you most need from this Patreon experience? When I first started this, really my main goal, what got me excited was I wanted to take, because I have a lot of listeners on the podcast and people who watch on YouTube. And how can I take that a step forward to ensure that you're going to take action? Because I want you to share your gifts with the world. That's what's getting me jazzed. And that's why I do the podcast. And so I'm wondering what would be more interactive to you? What would be more fulfilling with you? I'm making some changes in the new year and I'm thinking about that now. I want more interaction. When I love the podcast, but when I do that, I don't get as much interaction and people, this is what I need, this is how I need support. So what would make it really great for you to have with a group like what we have set up now? Is it live streams? Is it classes? Coaching? What would really be beneficial to you? What would make the most sense to you? Feel free to message me privately or drop something publicly. I'm always open for a good discussion, but let me know, how can this work for you? What is it that you need that you say, hey, you know what? This is what can get me to the next level. I'm a huge believer in group work because it can just be really profound sometimes how you bring certain people together and what comes up and can have a lot of breakthroughs. So let me know either privately or below in the comments. And I look forward to hear what you're saying. And I hope you all are having a fantastic time wherever you are. Thanks. And please update me. How are y'all doing on clearing your clutter? Or what do you need to see more of? All right. Thank you.